Valentina from AMZScout. Today I'll tell you about the most important thing for any Amazon seller, how to count your profit. I'll take a look at FBA fees, ROI and net margin. You'll understand how to analyze them in order to decide to sell or not to sell the product. This is AMZScout Profit Calculator. It has all basic accounting figures you need. On the example of one product, I'm going to show what all these numbers represent. I will start with FBA fees. They consist of some basic things and some extra possible fees. All of them are reasonable because Amazon is a great marketplace and it has exceptional customer service, so you wouldn't need to worry about that. Amazon will do everything for you in exchange for your money. If you'd like Amazon to store, ship and deal with your inventory, you'll have to pay a pick and pack fee, which is $3.96 in our case. This amount basically depends on the size and weight of the item. Also, as an FBA seller, you'll have to pay a monthly storage fee, which is 17 cents per month in this case, but it will grow in the October-December holiday season. Be attentive that after 6 months, a seller can be charged additional long-term storage fee. That's why most of sellers prefer to sell out the stock after it's been there for 4 or 5 months. Whether or not you ship things with FBA or by yourself, you'll pay a referral fee, which is approximately 15% of the price. It is what Amazon asks for its marketplace services. There can be other possible fees you may end up paying, such as labeling fee, unplanned prep service, returns processing, removal fee. They happen if something goes wrong with barcodes, packaging, or sales. Now let's talk about ROI, or Return on Investment Indicator. ROI is net profit divided by product cost expressed as a percentage. In my example, we calculated the net profit by deducting all FBA fees and costs from the price of $12 and divided it by $3 product cost. We got 102.33%. Now the question is, what does it mean? Let's imagine we decided to sell tomatoes. We bought this tomato for $3. We asked some shop to sell it for us, and the price is $12. So we sold it for $12. Now we'll have to pay this shop their $6, and we have $6, another $6. Now we can buy again one tomato and spend our $3 of net profit, or we can buy 2 tomatoes this time, and next time we'll double our revenue. So this ROI, which is more than 100%, is a really good number. 50% of ROI is also good because after you've sold 2 tomatoes, for example, next time you can buy 3, but it's not doubling your turnover, it's not doubling your revenue. Now we'll pay close attention to net margin. Net margin is net profit divided by price expressed as a percentage. In our case, net margin is 25.58%. It means that you earn 25 cents in profit for every dollar collected as revenue. It is hard to say what net margin is ideal. For small businesses, it should be higher. For big ones, even 5% of net margin can be a great achievement because it is 5% of a big amount of money. But it is a good indicator to compare the profitability of 2 or more products regardless of their difference in price. Let's compare a tomato and a kiwi. Let's imagine that a tomato costs $20 and a kiwi costs $100. The net profit for the tomato would be $10 and the net profit for the kiwi would be $30. So in absolute terms, it seems that kiwi is a more profitable product. But if you count the net margin, you'll find out that the net margin for the tomato is 50% and the net margin for the kiwi is just 30%. So I'd rather stick with the tomatoes, especially if I'm sure that I can sell more of them. I hope these facts will help you to count your profit and choose new products to sell on Amazon. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to our channel to watch more videos. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.